Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, suppose angle MTH is a right angle. What is the measure of E? Now, to find the measure of angle E, let us draw this figure again. Here, this is triangle AMH. Here, MTH is a right angle triangle. And here it is A and E. Suppose that point be O. Then here D. This is C. This is 32 degree. Here we have given 43 degree. This is B. Now in triangle MTH, as sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, so angle MTMH plus angle MTH plus angle THM equals to 180 degree. So 43 degree plus 90 degree plus angle THM equals to 180 degree. So angle THM equals to 47 degree, which is angle B. Now in triangle AOH, angle E plus angle B plus angle OAH equals to 180 degree. So here angle E plus 47 degree plus angle OAH is 32 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle E will be 180 degree minus 47 degree plus 32 degree, which is 101 degree. So measure of angle E is 101 degree. Hence angle E equals to 101 degree. So from available options we have option D as 101 degree.